Hi everybody, in this video I'm going to demonstrate how you can select a feature of a given vector file and save it or export it as a separate polygon file. So I have my country layer located here, and if I right click on the country on the layers pane, I can go to open attribute table and I can see a lot of attributes attached to it. Well, currently I'm going to do my selection based on country name, and as you can see there are a lot of names given in string format, so it might be the easiest to start with now. If you can't see your attribute table, you might just toggle between these icons, which will give you different visualization options for attribute table. So the second one, switch to the table view. The first one is switching to the form view for each separate object. So let me just close this and then show you how I'm going to do my selection. It's based on select feature by value tool that is under vector operations, and it automatically reads my layer because that's selected one, and it brings the attributes that you can select. So this is a simpler way to do your selection. You don't have to code anything. And since we're going to pick a value, from the country names, I'm just going to select a Belgium. And if I hit B on my keyboard, it automatically brings the fields, and let me just type E and it brought the Belgium, and I'm just clicking. And what you might try first, I'll just move around this window and flash feature, so you can see the red highlighting here. And you can even zoom to that feature, and you can just click to info to see if this is the correct selected polygon. But this doesn't finalize a selection unless you click the select feature tool, and then you can close it. So now let's look at our attribute table again. I will switch to the table view, and this is showing all features, but I'm interested in the selected feature, which is the Belgium. And this is currently showing the feature is selected, but I would like to export it separately. So I'm just going to right click, export, and save selected feature as. So if you just give the type file name, it won't save if you don't have the permission. So my suggestion would be browsing to the right folder and give a name. For example, type the name as Belgium, and then it will default to read the given special information about this file. If you just hit save, okay, then the Belgium will be a separate. Let me just move my window here. Okay. Okay, so this is how you can export a polygon selected feature in QGIS.